Hi, my name is Alessio and I am a sales director here at Workato. I think Nutanix probably has the coolest per se. They have a ton of use cases. In Nutanix, the internal customers are all employees of Nutanix, and when they need help, they open up a ticket. So they use Workato to help streamline the assignment of tickets, finding the right engineer that has less workload. They even connected a light, and they had Workato monitoring unassigned ticket in ServiceNow, and if the number was over a certain threshold, the light would change color. So everybody's in the floor can see that there is a problem and they have to go and assign tickets. The goal for the CIO of Nutanix is to maintain and improve an internal NPS score. And this solution alone had a profound impact on getting this score really, really high. We are looking at in the 90s, high 90s.